Okay, so this is Lorraine, who's just come all the way from, is it Kent?
Kent.
Exactly. And you've just done the first day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. But you're not from the beauty industry, you've got a slightly different background, as a lot of our students have. So what do you do at the moment? What have you been doing in the past?
I've been a legal secretary.
Okay.
Yeah, working with criminals.
Oh, right. Okay, excellent. Well, we've trained lots of prison warders and things like that in the past as well. But obviously a different side of things. So, and what made you decide to have a bit of a change of career and look into permanent makeup?
Well, I saw Rich House, Poor House, and just the light bulb went on, and I thought, I can do that. And I did my pros list and my cons list, and I couldn't find a reason not to do it.
Wow, you're saying you're looking for all our bits and bobs and all that. Did you do much research online, obviously looking into the industry?
Yeah, I looked around all the other training companies that I could find sort of in London or the South East.
Yeah.
But I like your one-to-one training, I like your company ethos and the fact that you offer so much support. So, that made my mind up.
Excellent, and you've been thinking about it for a little while. Finally got on the course, and without any beauty background, you've done a day of doing brows and stuff like that. So let's have a little look how you've been getting on.
Brows. So
you've been actually doing those today, practicing all different shapes and things like that. And how did you actually find doing brows the first time?
Well, amazing. I mean, I've practiced with my pen and pencil at home.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've practiced with the actual blade. And I'm amazed how good they look, actually.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And obviously you've had a bit of time to practice and get things organised with the lockdown situation. So what have you been doing busy in the background? Because you've actually got everything set up pretty much ready to go, haven't you?
Yeah, I have. I've converted a room at the side of my house. So I've got sort of my clinic end with my sinks, like kitchen units, etc. That's easy to clean. And then I've got some ideas for furnishing and what have you. But yeah, I've got to paint the walls and then get some clients and I'm ready to go. Excellent.
And how, obviously, everyone has a few reservations when they walk through the door initially. How did you actually find Kate's training style and actually getting on with Kate?
Oh, amazing. Yeah, we've been chatting all day, getting to know each other. We're obviously on the same wavelength, I think, which always helps. But she explains everything so well, and I've not struggled with anything really. I can't fault it really.
Excellent. I suppose it might have been a different matter maybe if you're in a group of like X amount of students and stuff like that. Do you think the one-on-one really helps?
Yeah, I think for something like this, where you are working on somebody's face, I mean, it's not just any part of the body that could be covered up, it's actually somebody's face.
Yeah.
You've got to want to do a good job and get the best training and as much hands-on training as you can.
Yeah.
So to my mind, the only way to do that is to go to a one-to-one training company. Yeah. Because, they're looking over your shoulder the whole time, making sure you're doing it correctly.
Exactly.
Which obviously gives you that confidence.
Excellent, and obviously not a bad first day. You've had all the attention, and now you've done lots and lots of nice brows, and a nice relaxing evening tonight, hopefully, and then another busy one tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I just can't wait to get going.
Excellent. Well, it's great to have you here. Finally got you in, and we'll look forward to catching up tomorrow. Cool. Cheers, Lorraine.